Tucked into the quiet Playa residential estate just south of Playa del Carmen, Hotel Riu Yucatan has built a reputation as one of those classic Caribbean all-inclusive resorts that keeps people coming back year after year. With rooms spread across a beachfront property owned by the well-known Riu Hotels and Resorts brand, this place is built for travelers who want to unplug, eat well, and stretch out on a lounger without thinking too hard about anything. It is not the newest hotel on the Strip, and it does not pretend to be, but the consistently positive reviews across travel sites suggest it has figured out the formula. The vibe is family-friendly, lively when you want it to be, and laid back when you do not. Think of it as the dependable older sibling in the Riu family along this stretch of coast. When it comes to rooms, Riu Yucatan keeps things straightforward with a handful of options that cover most types of travelers. The standard double room is the workhorse of the property, featuring a private balcony, air conditioning, a flat-screen television, blackout curtains for those mornings when you want to sleep past sunrise, and individually decorated touches that give each room a slightly different personality. For families or groups, the resort offers connecting rooms, rollaway, and extra beds and cribs for the little ones, which is a small detail that traveling parents tend to appreciate when they realize they did not have to pack the entire nursery. The double room category labeled with the M designation offers a very similar setup, giving guests flexibility depending on availability and view preferences. For travelers who want a little more breathing room, the suite category steps things up with a separate dining area and a dedicated sitting area, on top of the balcony and the usual climate-controlled comfort. Guests have specifically called out the suites for being spacious and clean, with reviewers noting that even though the hotel is not brand new, the staff keeps everything in good shape. Rooms generally face either the gardens, the pool, or the ocean, and the balcony is a feature that consistently shows up in guest praise. Smart tech is fairly basic here, leaning on Wi-Fi in the rooms and flat-screen televisions rather than flashy automation, which honestly suits the unplug-and-relax atmosphere just fine. If you came to mess with apps and thermostats, you came to the wrong place, and that is part of the charm. Dining at Riu Yucatan revolves around a handful of restaurants that give guests enough variety to avoid the dreaded all-inclusive food fatigue that sometimes sets in around day 4. The main buffet anchors the property, where breakfast, lunch, and dinner roll out with the kind of variety that keeps picky eaters and adventurous eaters equally happy. An Asian-themed restaurant delivers wok-style flavors for a change of pace, while the Italian spot leans into comfort food for those nights when pasta and a glass of wine feel like exactly the right move. The grill puts steaks, ribs, and other charred favorites front and center for guests who measure a vacation in protein. Down by the sand, a beach club restaurant rounds out the lineup, which is perfect for those days when getting dressed for a proper dinner feels like too much effort after a long swim. The bar scene supports all of this with a swim-up bar that lets guests sip without leaving the water, plus a poolside bar for those who prefer to stay dryish. Reviews consistently mention that drinks are included and flowing, and guests frequently praise the entertainment and the easy access between Riu properties that makes for a fun stretch of evenings. Guests have called the food solid and dependable, though some note that dining can be good without quite hitting excellent. Either way, no one seems to leave hungry. The pool and beach situation is arguably the headline act here. Riu Yucatan has multiple outdoor pools spread across the property, including a main pool that hums with energy and music during peak hours, and quieter options where guests can stretch out without dodging volleyballs. There is also a dedicated children's pool area which keeps the youngest guests happily occupied. The swim-up bar is a fan favorite for obvious reasons, and the poolside lounger setup is generous, though guests should know that the early bird towel game is real during high season. Some reviewers have mentioned that the main pool can get crowded during peak times, partly because the Riu properties in Playa share certain amenities and guests sometimes wander over for the scene. The beach itself is where Riu Yucatan really earns its stripes. Playa Beach sits just steps from the resort with soft sand and that famous Caribbean turquoise water that makes phone cameras look like professional gear. Sargassum levels along the Riviera Maya can fluctuate seasonally, so the seaweed situation will vary depending on when you visit, but the stretch in front of the resort is generally well kept. Loungers and palapas line the beach, and the resort offers complimentary non-motorized water activities like snorkeling and sailing for guests who want to actually get in the water rather than just stare at it. Beach massage services are also available for those who like the sound of crashing waves as a soundtrack to a back rub. Activities at Riu Yucatan run the gamut from quietly relaxing to genuinely lively, and the entertainment staff plays a big role in setting the tone. During the day, guests can join in on water aerobics, beach volleyball, dance classes, and various poolside games that range from charming to mildly chaotic depending on the crowd. Snorkeling and sailing come included with the stay, which is a real perk considering how often those activities cost extra elsewhere. The fitness center is on hand for guests who like to keep their routines going even on vacation, and while it is not a massive gym, it covers the basics. Evenings shift into entertainment mode with themed dinners that change throughout the week, live shows, and broadcasts of sporting events for guests who do not want to miss their team. Cultural touches show up in the form of Mexican-themed nights that lean into local food, music, and dance traditions, giving guests a taste of the region without ever leaving the property. For those who want to push beyond the resort, the Playa Golf Club is nearby and offers a well-regarded course set among the jungle landscape. Travelers who appreciate getting their money's worth will find plenty to do without ever swiping a credit card for an extra activity, which is part of why the all-inclusive model continues to win loyal fans. The Renova Spa is the wellness centerpiece at Riu Yucatan, and it offers the kind of menu that lets guests turn a vacation into a genuine reset. Treatments range from classic massages and facials to body wraps and specialty therapies, with options designed for couples who want to book a side-by-side session and call it a date. Keep in mind that spa treatments typically come with an extra charge even at an all-inclusive. The relaxation area gives guests a quiet place to decompress before or after a treatment, which is sometimes worth as much as the treatment itself. There is also a hot tub on the property for guests who want a quick soak without committing to a full spa day. Beyond the treatment rooms, the wellness offering extends to the beach itself, where massage services let guests get worked over with the sound of waves in the background. The fitness center supports guests who want to keep moving, and the open layout of the resort encourages plenty of walking between pools, restaurants, and the beach. While Riu Yucatan does not market itself as a hardcore yoga retreat or detox destination, the overall pace of the place naturally pushes guests towards slowing down. Sleep tends to come easier here, meals tend to taste better, and the cumulative effect of sun, sand, and zero responsibilities does most of the wellness work on its own. Because Riu Yucatan welcomes families and is not an adults-only property, the resort puts real effort into keeping younger guests entertained. The Kids Club program is built around age-appropriate activities that give parents a few hours of grown-up time without anyone feeling guilty about it. Crafts, games, pool activities, and supervised play give children a chance to make vacation friends, which often turns into one of the highlights of the trip for them. The entertainment staff also runs evening shows and mini disco sessions that get the younger crowd moving before bedtime. For families traveling together, the connecting rooms and cribs are practical touches that show the resort understands what parents actually need. The beach itself is generally calm and family-friendly, and the variety of pools means kids can splash in shallow areas while older siblings or parents claim a quieter spot. Reviews frequently call out the welcoming atmosphere for kids, with multiple guests describing the property as a true family hotel. It is the kind of place where multi-generational trips work well, because grandparents, parents, and kids can all find their own corner of the resort without stepping on each other. Location-wise, Riu Yucatan sits in a sweet spot for guests who want resort comfort with easy access to the action. Playa Beach is essentially at the doorstep, with direct beach access that makes early morning beach walks an easy habit. The Playa Golf Club is close by for guests who want to swing a club between cocktail hours, and the famous Fifth Avenue shopping and dining strip is also within reach. Fifth Avenue is where Playa del Carmen really comes alive, with blocks of shops, restaurants, bars, street performers, and people watching that goes well into the night. The Playa del Carmen city center sits a short distance away, making it an easy walk or a quick taxi ride for guests who want to explore beyond the resort. Day trips to nearby attractions like the Mayan ruins at Cholum, the cenotes scattered across the jungle, or the island of Cozumel are all within reach for guests who want a full Yucatan experience. Cancun's airport is roughly an hour up the coast, which keeps arrivals and departures manageable. The location strikes a balance that not every all-inclusive nails, giving guests the option to stay put or go explore depending on the day. Pulling it all together, Riu Yucatan earns its reputation by doing the fundamentals well rather than chasing trends. The strengths are clear: a great beach, plenty of pools, dependable food across multiple restaurants, friendly staff who get called out by name in reviews, and a location that puts guests close to the best parts of Playa del Carmen. Consistently positive reviews across travel platforms tell a story of guests leaving happy, with thousands of shared experiences pointing to the same highlights. The weaker points are also clear, mostly tied to the classic nature of the property, which can show its age in spots, and the occasional pool crowding when guests from sister Riu properties drop in. It sits as a competitive mid-tier option among Playa del Carmen all-inclusives, earning loyalty through value rather than flash. What makes Riu Yucatan stand out is the combination of value, location, and that classic Riu reliability. The all-inclusive model here genuinely delivers, with food, drinks, snorkeling, sailing, entertainment, and activities all rolled into the price. The shared access between Riu properties in Playa Car essentially gives guests a bigger playground than they paid for, since they can wander to other Riu hotels in the area and check out the entertainment scene. The Renova Spa adds a wellness layer that many comparable resorts do not match, and the beach quality is genuinely impressive compared to other stretches along the coast. For travelers who want a no-fuss vacation that does not require a second mortgage, Riu Yucatan punches above its weight. The resort is also suitable for groups and beachfront celebrations, with the kind of setting that makes destination events feel effortless, though travelers planning weddings or larger gatherings should confirm specifics directly with the resort. While it is not primarily a conference destination, the staff has plenty of experience coordinating group dining and themed events for travel groups of varying sizes. For couples thinking about a beach wedding or families planning a reunion, the layout and amenities make logistics manageable. The guest experience highlights at Riu Yucatan keep coming back to the staff. Reviewer after reviewer mentions the kindness and attentiveness of the team, with many guests simply saying that everything and everyone were amazing. Others have praised the safety and entertainment options, calling out the freedom to walk between Riu properties as a real bonus. Even the more critical reviews tend to soften when they talk about the people, which says a lot about the culture the staff has built. Combine that with a beautiful beach, generous food and drink offerings, and a location that gives easy access to one of the most popular stretches of the Riviera Maya, and Hotel Riu Yucatan remains a smart pick for travelers who want a familiar, comfortable, and genuinely enjoyable Caribbean getaway. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.